July the 23rd, 2019. Guys, you're looking at this cool front. It's really bringing a lot of nice weather to the south. Notice how clear it is at the top of this map, and right now it's 74 degrees out there. It really feels great. Humidity's starting to drop at 84%. It's going to be even nicer tomorrow. But just like as we saw Barry move through off the Gulf of Mexico and into cooler air and the storms pop up, we're going to have some more storms out of this system mixing with this warm air on the Gulf of Mexico, and they could be much larger than we saw. As a matter of fact, this area right now is starting to get the attention of the National Hurricane Center. We'll take a look at it. They've got a 20% chance of development on it for the next 5 days. Louisiana, when you thought you couldn't get much wetter, here we go. We knew it was going to be a strange season. Again, this will be the second storm that has came off the coast, basically. Again, this one didn't form as a low pressure system on land, but it's because of this front. And if we kind of look at it in the infrared, guys, going from light, daylight into night now as the satellites as the Earth is turning in away from the sun, you can see that large area, and it's centered off the kind of directly off the coast of Louisiana and Texas. It's a long front, and there's a lot of energy in there, and that's what we're dealing with. And you can see to the right the remnants of Tropical Depression 3 on the screen. But this storm is predicted to stall and out where this cool front is and move from west to east over the next 3 to 4 days and meander out there. We could see it strengthen. Again, you can also see the remnants of TD3. Now, let's go to the west coast of Africa. This is in the video I did earlier. Now, we're already starting to see rotation. I showed it to you in the video before, and you can see it here in the infrared images, as well as that strong storm that was behind it. So we're watching that area. We're not sure it's going to develop. Depends on that Saharan dust. But here we go again, 20% chance of formation in 5 days. This is a disorganized cloudiness and showers located over the northwestern Gulf of Mexico are associated with a frontal boundary. A non-tropical low could form along this boundary late Wednesday, which is tomorrow, or Thursday, and environmental conditions could support some subtropical or tropical development late this week that continues as it meanders along the northern Gulf. And guys, we should have expected it with that front coming in. Guys, we just don't get these cool fronts in the third week of July. And I think it had a lot to do with the formation of Barry a few weeks ago, because of the Arctic vortex is dipping further and further south and bringing this cool air. It's relief, but things are definitely changing. But guys, we're watching it, again, the coast of Africa too. It's a heads up. Be safe.